So moving forward to our next topic, which is classification of nerve fibers. So in exams, classification of nerve cells or nerve fibers on the basis of its types, generally 2 marks માં પૂછાતું હોય છે. So again, it is an important topic. So we are starting it now. So nerve fibers are classified by 6 different methods. The basis of classification differs in each method. First is depending upon structure. Second, depending upon distribution. Third, depending upon origin. Fourth, depending upon function. Fifth, depending upon secretion of neurotransmitter. And sixth, depending upon diameter and conduction of impulse. So exam આવી રીતે પૂછાય કે classification of nerve cells or fibers on the basis of neurotransmitters અથવા તો પછી depending upon the function લખો 2 marks ની અંદર. So first is depending upon structure. Based on structure, nerve fibers are classified into 2 types. First is myelinated nerve fibers and second is non-myelinated nerve fibers. So myelinated nerve fibers are the nerve fibers that are covered by myelin sheath. And non-myelinated nerve fibers are the nerve fibers which are not covered by myelin sheath. So structure na આધારે બે એના type છે. Second type is depending upon distribution. So nerve fibers are classified into 2 types on the basis of distribution. First is somatic nerve fibers and second is visceral or autonomic nerve fibers. So somatic nerve fibers કે જેમાં supply the skeletal muscles of the body, અને જે visceral છે તો autonomic nerve fibers છે એ supply કરે various internal organs of the body. So distribution ના આધારે એના આ બે type. Third is depending upon origin. On the basis of origin, nerve fibers are divided into 2 types. First is cranial nerve fibers. Nerve fibers arising from brain are called cranial nerve fibers. And spinal nerve fibers. Nerve fibers arising from spinal cord are called spinal nerve fibers. Fourth type is depending upon the function. Functional nerve fibers are classified into 2 types. First is sensory nerve fibers and second is motor nerve fibers. Sensory nerve fibers carry sensory impulses from different parts of the body to the central nervous system. These nerve fibers are also known as the afferent nerve fibers. And motor nerve fibers carry motor impulses from central nervous system to different parts of body. These nerve fibers are also called efferent nerve fibers. So this is the basic difference. Fifth is depending upon the secretion of neurotransmitter. Depending upon the neurotransmitter substance secreted, nerve fibers are divided into 2 types. First is adrenergic nerve fibers and second is cholinergic nerve fibers. Adrenergic nerve fibers secrete noradrenaline and cholinergic nerve fibers secretes acetylcholine. આપણે તમને વાયવામાં પૂછાય કે એડ્રેનાલિન નર્વ ફાઇબર્સમાંથી શું સિક્રેટ થાય અને કોલિનર્જિક નર્વ ફાઇબર્સમાંથી શું સિક્રેટ થાય. Then depending upon diameter and conduction of impulse, Erlanger and Gesser classified the nerve fibers into 3 major types on the basis of diameter, मतलब જે thickness હોય એની ઉપર, thickness of the fiber and velocity of conduction of impulses. These 3 types are first is type A nerve fibers, second is type B nerve fibers and the third is type C nerve fibers. Among these fibers, type A nerve fibers are the thickest fiber and type C nerve fibers are the thinnest fibers. Type C fibers are also known as type 4 fibers, except type C fibers, all the nerve fibers are myelinated. Type A nerve fibers are divided into 4 types. Type A alpha or type 1 nerve fibers, type A beta or type 2 nerve fibers, type A gamma nerve fibers, and type A delta or type 3 nerve fibers. So this was the topic, and we are finishing it here. We'll moving forward to another topic on the next lecture.